Kia ora no, welcome to this clip. Today we're looking at kōwai, which means who is. So the question kōwai, when used in conjunction with ko, the why is not water, but it is the inquiry who is, or what is. So, when I ask ko wai tō ingoa, who is your name? Not correct English, of course, but what is your name? We simply ask that question by saying ko rawiri tōku ingoa. Alrighty, so ko wai tō ingoa, what is or who is your name? Ko rawiri tōku ingoa, my name is Rawiri. Ko wai tō matua, who is your father? Ko mikaira mohi tōku matua. Ko wai tō whaia, who is your mother? Ko wai tō matua tūpuna, who is your grandfather? Ko wai tō whaia tūpuna, who is your grandmother? Ko wai tō hoa, who is your friend? Ko wai tō kaiako, who is your teacher? Kia ora.